Welcome back, everyone. I will go ahead and show you exactly how to make sure your TikTok microphone is working on both Android and iOS. And the process is very easy, and I'll go ahead and start off with iPhones first. So what you want to do in this case is you want to go ahead and boot up your device. You want to make sure you're logged into TikTok and everything. If it's your first time, going into TikTok, you want to open the app, make sure you allow all permissions. As long as you can get into some page like this, then you're good. Now, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your settings app, just like so. Then you want to scroll all the way down, so just keep scrolling until you find TikTok at the very bottom. Now luckily for you, you can just keep scrolling to the very bottom of this page, and once you see TikTok right here, you want to go ahead and click on it. And once you see that, all you want to do is see this little microphone option right here. If you're able to see it and you see the little toggle right there, so for you, the toggle may actually be off like this. Now you don't want that to happen. You want the toggle to be on. As long as this toggle is on, then your microphone should be working. Now let's say you turn it on and it's still not working, then it might mean that the microphone on your device may actually not be working, or you may be covering it up. There's a microphone here, there's also a microphone on the back, but you may be covering it up with a case or something. So you may want to look at it there, but typically going into your iPhone settings, scrolling down until you get into this little panel and then click on TikTok, which is right here, and then enabling the microphone right there will actually probably end up fixing the error a majority of the times. If that doesn't end up working, scroll out of TikTok like this, go back into it, and then enable it, disable it, and see if that works. If that still doesn't work, I would recommend going into your app store, finding TikTok or searching up TikTok, and just updating TikTok through the app store. As long as it's on an up-to-date version of TikTok, you can rule out the possibility that probably is not a software issue, and it may be a hardware issue, so you may have to get the microphone replaced or just do some more microphone tests or make sure nothing is covering up the microphone on your device. So that's exactly how to do it on iOS. If you have an Android, it's pretty much the same process. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and boot up your Android device, and again, you want to make sure you have TikTok on your device just like this. Make sure you're logged in and everything. As long as you can go ahead and boot into TikTok and you can make it TikTok or whatever, then you're pretty much set. What you want to do, pretty much the same process as iPhones, you want to go ahead and make your way over to your settings app just like this. Once you get into your settings panel, you want to go ahead and go into your application manager. So you'll see a little panel that says apps, so you want to go ahead and click on it. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find TikTok. So you typically just have to scroll down until you get into a panel like this. And once you see TikTok just like so, you want to go ahead and click on TikTok. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll over until you find something along the lines of permissions. Sometimes it may say, accesses or whatever. Even if it says microphone, you want to click on microphone. But if it says permissions, you want to go ahead and click permissions right there. And right here, you can see I don't allow any permissions on TikTok. So in this case, because we're focusing on the microphone, what you want to do is find the little microphone toggle, which is right here. You want to go ahead and click on it. As you can see, I clicked the wrong one. You want to click on microphone. And what you want to do here is, right now mine is on deny. I want to either have it on ask every time or allow while using this app. So when TikTok is open, basically it's going to be allowed to use the microphone on the app. And that's really pretty much all you have to do here. Go back into TikTok, make a TikTok if it's working or set. If it's still not working, what you can do is go into your Play Store, and all you really need to have to do is just go ahead and open up TikTok or search for it right up here, and you just want to update your TikTok app. So as you can see, it's right here, and you want to just update it. If you're on a super outdated version of TikTok, it's probably not going to work. So you want to make sure you're up to date on the most recent version of TikTok as possible. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much for you guys to hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.